Surprise, and a storm in North Carolina that tore one local man's roof off. Here are our picks for the craziest tornado videos of 2023. March marks the official beginning of tornado season in the United States. Over the next 4 months, 70% of the year's tornadoes will touch down, most of them occurring over the Great Plains region. But, in a strange plot twist, one of 2023's early storms touched down outside Los Angeles, in the small city of Montebello, California. It was March 22nd. A local businessman named Jeff was helping a client in his office when they heard something loud outside. A tornado had spun up across the street, and by the looks of things, it was heading right for them.
Oh, wow. Está fuerte. Sí. Oh, shoot. Oh, wow. Eso está feo. Nunca, no, esto está peligroso, ¿sí?
Déjalo la corriente ahí, ¿verdad?
Oye, me está
preocupando esto.
Está feo, sí, está. Mejor aquí quédese adentro ahorita.
Sí, mi esposa en el carro ahí.
Sí, mejor dígale que se meta, ¿no?
Sí, está bien.
Luckily, the storm wasn't strong enough to cause significant damage to Jeff's office building. It did, however, damage the roof across the street and leave a scattering of debris in the area. Tornadoes are rare in California. According to the National Weather Service, they only get about 11 per year. None of them are very strong either. In fact, this Montebello storm was the strongest tornado to hit California since 1983. It was rated as an EF1 on the intensity scale, with wind speeds peaking at 110 miles per hour. The storm traveled about half a mile and was only on the ground for 2 to 3 minutes. Compared to what we see in the Great Plains, California has it easy when it comes to tornadoes. Martinsburg, Iowa is a tiny town in Keokuk County. It's home to about 110 people and 2 businesses, an auto shop, and a gas station/convenience store. Otherwise, most of the properties in Martinsburg are farms and ranches. On March 31st, a wild tornado outbreak occurred in the Midwestern United States. There were 29 confirmed storms, with the strongest being an EF4 that developed near Martinsburg. On his way home from the doctors, a local named Charles heard the tornado warning over the radio. When he looked out his window, he saw the beast running parallel to his car. This EF3 tornado tracked a 17-mile path of destruction across Keokuk County. It caused significant damage to a home northeast of town and decimated several farmsteads and outbuildings. According to our cameraman, he watched it crash into a hog building with more than 10,000 40-pound feeder pigs. The tornado was on the ground for 17 minutes. Wind speeds climbed to 150 miles per hour. And it grew over 1,000 yards wide. As this storm dissipated, it spawned the powerful EF4 tornado that touched down near Kyoto City. On average, Iowa sees about 51 tornadoes every year. This was only the beginning of a long tornado season. On March 31st of 2023, a pair of tornadoes struck near Little Rock, the capital of Arkansas. Both tornadoes were part of a record-breaking outbreak between March 31st and April 1st. As a state, Arkansas is up there regarding average yearly tornadoes. They're good for about 39 storms each year.